This is what he makes working online.
Yeah, if you wanna be like us, making money online every single day, start watching our videos.
Hi, I'm Mercy from Global Learn Money TV. We post content every Friday on how to make money online. And here with me today is Mr. Vipek Sanjo, an online entrepreneur doing affiliate marketing for years now. So today we'll be teaching us how you can get paid reading emails and the sign up processes for any country in the world without skills required. And all you need is just a mobile phone or a computer with an internet access. This can be done worldwide, whether you're from Nigeria or you're from Bangladesh. Once again, you may not get the same results if you don't watch this video to the end because it requires steps. So, Sawadia first.
Okay, nice to meet again. Today I'll be teaching how to make money up to $500 every single day by reading just email.
Um, we are all here to learn how to make money. Please teach.
Alright guys, so let's get started. Being a secret agent online is very nice and I love it. You know why? It doesn't require any skills to start. I can still remember when I was in college, my other brother used to slap me and humiliate me anyhow he liked because he used to pay my school fee. But now it's not the same. Now I can make my money the way I want it to be. I don't even stress myself. Sometimes I lie down at home, I sleep while the money is still running to my account. And the best part of it is that you can make it from any part of the world. It is worldwide. Today I'll be teaching you here on my computer how to earn money $50 per click by reading what? Just email. Just email. And I love it. So it requires only 4 steps. Let's start. The first step, you sign up to a platform called FindleyResearch.com. FindleyResearch.com is a platform where people sign up to take surveys or post their content in the name of adverts. But don't get me wrong, I'm not posting any content, I'm not taking any surveys. We will scroll down to the bottom on our computer to sign up to get paid just reading emails. So just scroll down with me the way I want to do it right now. Sign up to read emails alone. And mind you, you don't sign up the way you like in any part of the world. If you check it very well in that platform, you will see that the country that only have access to is UK, US, Canada, and other parts of the world that are very civilized. But some countries like Bangladesh, Nigeria, Cameroon, Ghana, and so on, they do not really have access to it. But we hackers, we do something very easy for us. So put it this way, I'm going to show you how to sign up from any part of the world. So we'll be using Canada address to sign up wherever you are. So join me now. Step 2 is the sign up processes. And let's continue. How do you sign up using a Canada address? 1. Click on your Google and search randomlist.com. When you click on randomlist.com, the very first address that appears on that Google search, you click on it. And what should you do next? Click on the edit button and choose address. Scroll down and click on the country, which is Canada. Are we there? Okay, let's continue. Copy any Canada address that you like. The zip code, the address, the room number, everything. Just paste it on the sign up processes area. And you can now put your personal details like your date of birth, your first name, your last name, and so on. Step 3, we talk about how to confirm the policies. Don't forget to click on all the confirmation policies before you could get started. So step 4.
I just want to quickly interrupt this video before we move to the last step. If you think this method of making money online is hard and you need the easiest way, please visit the first link in the description below to our #1 recommended to earn $1,000 daily by working for just 3 hours. You got paid via PayPal account, and if you want to learn how to create a business, if you want to learn how to create a successful business PayPal account, please click on the second link in the description and watch the video. You can also click on the third link to watch different videos on how to make money online.
Alright, with that being said, sometimes we have to interrupt videos because we don't work only for one platform to make money online every day. You need different types of videos to watch, and you learn how to make money in many different ways. I make money, but I don't work only for one platform. So guys, we talk about step 4. Let's continue. In our step 4, we'll be talking about how you can make money through that finallyresearch.com platform via PayPal account. Don't forget, you will not be paid on any payment method except PayPal account. So I want to quickly advise you that you should own a PayPal account or create a good business PayPal account first before you join the platform. I've been working there for over 3 years now by just reading emails and keeping customers for them. I think you can do so. Have a good day.
Ooh, online money. I love it. You enjoyed this video, didn't you? Please follow our Facebook page and join our communities to share your thoughts with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Global Online Money TV. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video to other social media platforms. We love you.